Discover the ultimate guide to the best die-cut machines available today. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or just starting out, finding the perfect die-cutting machine can make all the difference in your projects. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best die-cut machines you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. The Cricut Joy Xtra stands out as a compact and versatile smart cutting machine, earning its place as the number 5 best die-cut machine. Designed to effortlessly fit into any space while enhancing any creative environment, this innovative device excels in cutting, writing, drawing, and foiling. Ideal for crafting full-color stickers, personalized cards, stylish t-shirts, vinyl decals, and more, the Cricut Joy Xtra is powered by the intuitive Design Space app, ensuring seamless creativity. Key features include compatibility with over 50 materials such as vinyl, iron-on, and cardstock, allowing for a wide range of project possibilities. It seamlessly integrates with home inkjet printers for detailed full-color designs that can be precisely cut with ease. The machine's ability to handle intricate designs with precision sets it apart, while features like writing, drawing, and foiling add versatility to its capabilities. It supports popular material sizes like US letter and A4, catering to various crafting needs. With Bluetooth wireless technology for convenient connectivity, users can upload their own designs or select from a vast library within the design space. Beginners benefit from online courses and handy cheat sheets, complemented by reliable customer support via phone or chat. The Sizzix Big Shot Manual die cutting machine stands as a pinnacle in the realm of creative tools, securing its place as the number 4 best die cut machine. Designed with versatility in mind, it caters effortlessly to both novices and seasoned artisans alike. Its compact yet robust A5 size platform accommodates materials up to 6 inches wide, offering unparalleled flexibility across a spectrum of creative endeavors. Crafters can effortlessly transform various materials, ranging from delicate tissue paper to sturdy cork, fabric, and even wood, into intricate designs with a single pass through the Big Shot. This capability stems from its compatibility with an extensive library of Sizzix dies, encompassing bigs, thinlits, and embossing folders, among others, ensuring an endless array of crafting possibilities. Included with the machine are essential components: 1 Big Shot machine, 1 platform, 1 thin die adapter, and 1 pair of standard cutting pads, equipping users to embark on their creative journey straight out of the box. For those new to die cutting, it offers a streamlined process for producing precise shapes effortlessly, freeing them from the limitations of manual cutting. Meet the Cricut Explore Air 2, ranked among the top die-cut machines for its versatility and precision. This powerful tool allows creators to cut intricate details with ease, whether it's delicate lace designs or intricate snowflakes for seasonal decorations. Enhancing creativity, the Explore Air 2 supports writing capabilities using Cricut pens, enabling personalized cards and projects with over 370 fonts to choose from. Its scoring stylus creates flawless fold lines for various crafts, including cards, envelopes, and 3D paper creations. The machine accommodates a vast range of materials, from traditional cardstock and vinyl to specialty options like foil and bonded fabric. Each purchase includes essential accessories like blades, pens, mats, and materials for initial projects, ensuring users can begin crafting immediately. Design possibilities are boundless with Cricut's free Design Space software, accessible on computers, iPads, and iPhones. This cloud-based platform offers thousands of ready-to-make projects and a vast library of images, while also supporting custom uploads for personalized creations. The Sizzix Sidekick Starter Kit stands out as the epitome of compact innovation in the world of crafting tools, securing its place as the #2 best die-cut machine. Engineered for precision and versatility, this portable marvel accommodates plastic-backed or wafer-thin dies and embossing folders up to 2.5 inches wide, including the esteemed Sizzix 12-inch decorative strip dies. Weighing a mere 2 pounds and standing 4.75 inches tall, the Sidekick is designed for effortless mobility without compromising on functionality. Its aqua cutting pads and embossing pad ensure compatibility with all Sizzix thin dies and embossing folders up to 2.5 inches, and it seamlessly integrates with dies from other brands. Crafters can rely on the Sidekick to effortlessly cut through a single sheet of lightweight to cardstock paper, making it ideal for a wide range of crafting projects. The package includes essential tools for creativity: 1 Sidekick machine, 6 framelits dies, 2 thinlits dies, 2 small textured impressions embossing folders, and 7 stamps, offering endless possibilities for artistic expression. Experience the pinnacle of precision and creativity with the Cricut Maker, acclaimed as the leading choice among die-cutting machines. Designed to elevate your crafting endeavors, this powerhouse device boasts unparalleled versatility and efficiency. Whether you're a seasoned artisan or a novice creator, the Cricut Maker empowers you to bring your imaginative visions to life with ease. At the heart of its capabilities lies a robust suite of cutting tools that redefine what's possible. From delicate fabrics and intricate paper designs to tough materials like leather and mat board, the Cricut Maker effortlessly handles over 300 types of materials. The rotary blade effortlessly slices through fabrics, perfect for sewing enthusiasts, while the knife blade makes precise cuts in thicker materials, adding depth and detail to your projects. Crafting becomes seamless with the intuitive Design Space app, offering wireless connectivity across various devices. Whether on a mobile phone or a laptop, unleash your creativity with personalized designs accessible at your fingertips. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.